How to repair a hole in a metal roof system. When a metal roof system is installed properly, its life expectancy is second to none. According to the National Association of Home Builders, asphalt shingles last, on average, about 20 years, composite shingles about 25 years, and wood shakes or shingles about 30 years. Aluminum or steel roofs, on the other hand, can easily last 50 years or more, and zinc roofs have been known to last well over 100 years. But no building material, especially one that faces the constant weather battering of a roof, lives forever. Like all roofing systems, a metal roof requires regular maintenance and repair. Any roofing repair can be a hit or miss proposition. Done properly, repairs can last as long as the roof system itself. Done improperly, those same repairs can quickly break and fail, leaving the homeowner or building owner with a recurrent or constant leak. A recurring leak condition can be aggravating, but more serious is the interior damage and mold growth it can cause. It is always best to fix a roofing problem quickly and correctly. Visit site https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708270.